Hi, I'm Chip Gardner.
And I'm Herbert Dubuisson. We're with Compass.
We're here in the heart of Metairie with an extraordinary opportunity. Almost 2 acres of land come with this property.
Come on, let's take a look at this iconic space.
Location, location, location. Check out this prime L-shaped development site with a large footprint in the heart of Metairie. This retail commercial site is available for purchase. Located near one of the busiest intersections in the region, Causeway Blvd and Veterans Boulevard, and the I-10 interchange. The property is located directly across the street from Lakeside Shopping Center.
Boasting approximately 120 feet of frontage along North Causeway Boulevard and excellent visibility, this unique acquisition includes 3 improved properties: the current Meineke Car Care Center, a former Andreas property, including a pylon sign, and the current Ridge Lake Plaza office building. The combined property totals 79,000 square feet on 1.82 acres of land. The site allows for multi-level development. These tracts are in an opportunity zone. This prime development is an excellent opportunity.